Welcome this video transforming your outdoor space depth decor idea. A well designed depth can sub as the preface extent of your living space. Provide a tranquil retreat or a living hub for entertain whether your space modern, rustic or electric that are controllers away to elevate your type aesthetic well main interest functionally. Here are some inspired depth decor ideas to transforming your outdoor area into a stream air. Define the space with functional elevate in high quality outdoor furniture that complement the size and style of your tap modern step arrangement can various well choosy paired with a static chair can create an invite canvas note look for weather resisting materials such as tusk, aluminum or wicket sub durable. Add cushion and palette in vibrant color palette to make the space more comfortable and various appear other for waterproof withstood the elements incorporating a range of convenient in outdoor range can take your tap decor together well defined area for your palette. Range understanding. Dining table to decoration a dining room or piece a choosy match benefit long chair of a relaxed vibrant type range make for fine weather resisting material like popular long play with lights. Popular lights can transform depth into a magic space after depth, stable line, hard over or area range create a warm embrace. Latching solar power parts, light and LED convenient or soft illuminate with wall movement resisting tap light provide functional lights incorporating light to adjust